Hello friends, myself Sainath Lambade and today we are going to discuss about the cranial nerves. This is a sub point of the chapter that is a control and coordination. As you know that we was discussing in the last lecture about the spinal nerves. We have discussed about the spinal nerves and there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves which are arising from the spinal cord. And today we are going to discuss about the cranial nerves. As you know that 12 pairs of cranial nerves in humans. There are about 12 pairs of cranial nerves in humans. 10 pairs arise and end in the brain stem. In these 12, there are the 10 pairs of nerves that arise and end in the brainstem only. And two pairs, that is, third and fourth, arise from the midbrain. Two pairs, that is, the third and fourth, arise from the midbrain. They can be sensory, motor, or mixed. Mixed may be called as a both. So we'll see the formula for these cranial 12 pairs of cranial nerves. This is a formula O3 T square AF AG VSH. In this pattern, you may keep it the names of that cranial nerves in mind. So O3 T square AF AG VSH. O3 means three names are starting from O and two names T square means two names which are starting from T. A it will stand for the A. So we'll see one by one these cranial nerves. As you know that these cranial nerves are written in the form of Roman numbers. So you have to keep in mind these cranial nerves as per the Roman numbers. So we'll see the first one. The first one, that is a olfactory. First one is the olfactory, and that origin from the olfactory lobe. The origin of olfactory nerve, that is olfactory bulb. This type of this nerve, that is a sensory. That is a sensory, and that function of this nerve, that is about the smell. That is about the smell. Then followed by this olfactory, the second nerve we have written in the Roman only. So you have to keep in mind in the Roman, you have to write in the Roman. So second one, that is optic. So one question might be in there. So O3 means which nerve we have to start. So if you take your hand in front of your face, first which will touch to your face, that is a nose. So that will be start from the olfactory. That is a olfactory. Then followed by the olfactory, the next part, that is a optic. That origin of optic nerve, side of a diencephalon. Side of a diencephalon. The type of this optic, that is a sensory, and function, that is a movement of eyeball. That is a movement of eyeball. And followed by this optic, there is a third one, that is a oculomotor. That is one oculomotor, and origin floor of midbrain. That origin of oculomotor from floor of midbrain. The type of this nerve, that is a motor. That is a motor. And what is the work of this oculomotor? That is a movement of eyeball. That works for the movement of eyeball. Then followed by this oculomotor, that is the fourth one, that is a trochlear. That is a trochlear, or another name for the trochlear, that is a pathetic. That is called as a pathetic. And the origin of this trochlear nerve, that is a floor of midbrain. Floor of midbrain. And type of the nerve, that is a motor. That is a motor. And the work of this trochlear, that is again movement of eyeball. Movement of eyeball. and followed by this trochlear. Then fifth one, that is a trigeminal. The another name for the trigeminal, that is a dentist nerve. The origin of this trigeminal, ventral side of a pons, the ventral side, which is the front side of the pons veroli, that origin of the trigeminal take place from the ventral side of the pons. The type of nerve, that is a mixed, or you may say that is, or but means that are having the presence of both sensory as well as both. You have to say that is a both, that is a both one, both. Then followed by these function of this, that is a face sensation. This trigeminal, that is a function, that is a sensation of the face. Then followed by this fifth one, there is a sixth one, that is a abducens. And that origin of this abducens, that is a pons. And type of this, that is a motor. That type of a nerve, that is a motor. And again it also work for the movement of a eyeball. There are the three nerves that are working for the movement of eyeball. You have to keep in mind, that is first one, that is optic movement of eyeball, then oculomotor movement of eyeball, then followed by this again one, that is trochlear, that is a movement of eyeball, and followed by these abducens, that also work for the movement of eyeball. Now we'll see the seventh number, that is the seventh we have written in the Roman, that is a facial. That also origin from the pons, and type of the facial, that is a mixed, and function, that is a facial expression. Again followed by this movement of neck, again secretion of tear and salivary secretion. So these are the function of facial, that shows a facial expression. Followed by this, they do the movement of neck, and followed by this, they do the secretion of tear, and followed by this, they also do the secretion of salivary. Then followed by this eighth number we have to study, that is auditory. That is the eighth one, that is nerve is auditory, or it may be said as vestibulocochlear. That may be said to be vestibulocochlear. And origin of this auditory nerve, that is a pons, and type of that nerve, that is a sensory. And function of this auditory, that is a hearing and equilibrium, means the balancing of our body, hearing and balancing. So followed by these eight, there is a ninth one, that is a glossopharyngeal. The origin of this glossopharyngeal take place from the side of the medulla oblongata. Then type of this nerve, that is a mix, or you may say it as a both. Both means sensory as well as motor. And function of this glossopharyngeal, that is function with the taste, salivation and swallowing. Means it also do the work for the taste purpose, then followed by that salivation, secretion of saliva and swallowing of the food. Then 10th nerve, that is a vagus. That is also called as a pneumogastric. That is also known as a pneumogastric. And the origin of the vagus, that is side of medulla oblongata, and type of nerve, that is again a mix, and function that visceral sensation. This vagus, actually it is distributed in the visceral organs of our body, or inside the body. Visceral sensation, visceral movement, that heart rate and digestion. So followed by this 10th, there is again 11th and 12th number. We'll see that 11th number, the 11th nerve, that is a spinal accessory, that is a spinal accessory. Origin of this nerve, that is a side of medulla oblongata, again side of medulla oblongata. Type of this nerve, that is motor, and function movement of larynx. Larynx means sound box. As you know, the movement of this larynx is carried out by the spinal accessory nerve, and followed by this pharynx and neck and shoulders. So movement of larynx, pharynx, neck and shoulder is carried out by the spinal accessory nerve, and that is a type of a motor nerve. And followed by the spinal accessory 12th last nerve, that is a hypoglossal. That is a hypoglossal. The origin of hypoglossal, that is a side of medulla oblongata, and type of this nerve, that is a motor, and function movement of tongue. Movement of tongue, that is carried out by the hypoglossal nerve. So we'll see some points about this, which is the longest, largest and smallest nerve. So 12 pairs of cranial nerves, only 10th number vagus passes in the body and innervates internal organs. The vagus passes inside the body and it is innervated in the internal organs. Vagus is the longest nerve and maximum branches. So if the question arises like this, which is the longest cranial nerve, so you have to say that vagus is the longest cranial nerve. Then fifth one, that is a trigeminal, that is a dentist nerve, is the largest nerve. This is the longest and this is a largest cranial nerve. So if the question is arise like this, which is the largest, so you should say that fifth number, that is a trigeminal or dentist nerve. Followed by this sixth number, that is the abducens, is the smallest cranial nerve. This is the smallest cranial nerve, and according to their functions, sensory, motor and mix. So which are the number, that is a sensory, in which nerve comes under the sensory, that is cranial number first, second and eighth. These are the three nerves which are the sensory, and which are the motor, that is the third, fourth, sixth, 11th and 12th are the, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the motor, and mix, that is the fifth number, that is seventh, that is ninth and 10th are the mixed number, that is a mixed nerve. So you have to keep in mind like this. So if you want to recognize or how to keep in mind that which are the sensory and motor, so this is some shortcut for you to keep in mind that which are the sensory and which are motor or which are mixed. This is a shortcut. Some says money matters, but my brother says big books matter more. So this will you know that some means, that is a sensory, say means sensory, money means motor, matter means motor again, but means both, that is a mixed. Then my means motor, and brother, that is means this is a mixed. Again you may say this is this may be called as a both, that may be called as a both. And says means again sensory, big means again both, and books again mixed, that is a both, and matter more, these are both are the motor nerve. So you have to keep in mind these like this. Some says money matters, but my brother says big books matter more. So this, in this way you can keep in mind this 12 cranial nerves. Thank you.